In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to download a Gamma presentation. It's a simple process, but we'll walk through each step to ensure that you can easily follow along and successfully download your presentation. First, it's important to note that you'll need to be logged into your Gamma AI account. If you're not already logged in, go ahead and open your browser and navigate to the Gamma website. Enter your email and password, and once you've successfully logged in, you're ready to proceed with downloading your presentation. Next, you'll want to locate the specific presentation you wish to download. Navigate to your dashboard where all of your saved presentations are listed. Browse through your projects and click on the exact presentation that you need. This will open up your presentation where you can make any final adjustments or just confirm it's the correct file you're looking to download. Once you have your presentation open, look towards the top right corner of the screen where you'll find the option to share your document. Click on the Share button. This action is essential as it not only allows for sharing but also provides options for exporting your file. After clicking on Share, you will see additional options. From here, you need to click on the Export option. This will open up a drop-down or pop-up menu featuring several export formats for your presentation. The export function is particularly useful if you need to use your presentation across different platforms or software, such as PowerPoint. Now, from the list of available formats, choose the Export to PowerPoint option. This selection is ideal if you need to edit your presentation further using PowerPoint or if you need to share it with others who might not have access to Gamma but do have PowerPoint. The final step is all about the download process itself. Once you've clicked on Export to PowerPoint, your download should automatically start. This might take a few seconds depending on the size of your presentation and your internet connection speed, so give it a moment. If for some reason the download doesn't commence automatically, don't worry. You should see a button appear on your screen that allows you to manually start the download. Simply click on it and your presentation will begin downloading. And there you have it. These simple steps will enable you to easily download your Gamma presentation as a PowerPoint file. Feel free to revisit these instructions anytime you need a refresher. Happy downloading.